Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing your device and payment method. Make sure you're on an iPhone or Apple Watch and signed into iCloud. Once ready, open Wallet and tap the plus button to add a card. You'll scan or enter card details, then complete bank verification by SMS or the issuer app. While you do this, keep your billing address and security code handy so verification is fast. After verification, you'll see the card listed and ready for use in online checkouts. Next, enable Apple Pay where you shop online. Go to Settings, choose Wallet and Apple Pay, and make sure Apple Pay is active. Set your preferred default card so it appears first at checkout. Also confirm your shipping and billing addresses and phone number here, because sites use them to speed payment and reduce verification steps. If you plan to buy on a Mac or iPad, pair devices with the same Apple ID and enable Safari payments to allow one-tap authorization via Touch ID or Face ID. To finish a purchase, choose Apple Pay at checkout and confirm with Face ID or Touch ID. On a Mac, confirm via your iPhone or Apple Watch. Once done, you'll get a receipt and the card will show the transaction. If it fails, first make sure your card is active, billing address matches the merchant, and you have cellular or Wi-Fi. If problems persist, restart your device and contact the bank to check for holds. This single troubleshooting step resolves most declines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.